Hello everyone, it's Sana here today. A very warm welcome to all those who are new at my channel. If you are excited to learn this video, do give a thumbs up, share the video, subscribe the channel and stay tuned with Sparkla. The hairstyle we are going to learn is side bubble up braids. For this hairstyle, tie a side ponytail and cover the hair elastic. Leave a space equal to your waist and there tie the hair elastic. Tuck the hairs in a way to create a bubble. Once you are satisfied with your first bubble, hide the hair elastic and repeat these steps ahead. I hope you love this video. Please leave your feedbacks in comment section below. We'll see you next week. Thank you.